So this year the theme is Pirates of the Arabian Sea. So we've created this kind of a theme keeping in mind that the little children would go back with a memorable event this year. That apart, of course, we have the carol singing going on through the week. We've had them a couple of days back, and again it's going to be follow. On the 24th, of course, is you can't miss the turkey dinner. And on 25th, lunch, of course, it's an array of global cuisine with, of course, live band and a lot of things. And then, of course, finally, we will be moving on to the 31st of this month, and of course, welcoming the New Year, which is, of course, right here, Feliz Ano Novo, and that's the theme that we have for this year. So summing it up, it's all festive time here at Cidade-de-Goa.
We come to Cidade-de-Goa with our little child every year for this Christmas party celebration.
Thank you so much.
And we really love coming over here because this place is really happening, and it really makes children feel that, you know, they have come to a small play park or a wonderland wherein, you know, they really enjoy themselves. And of course, we as parents also, we love the ambience around over here, the setup for the kids, all the bouncy castles, the fancy dress area and the play areas and the zones.
बहुत ही मज़ा आ रहा है, बच्चे literally बहुत enjoy कर रहे हैं, seriously. मेरी 1.5 साल की बेटी है, she is very exciting.